Today I have this Pro-95 scanner from RadioShack that I've had for, man, I don't know, the 90s. It has a discriminator output that I installed so that I can connect to a laptop and decode pager signals, things like that. Unfortunately, the screen stopped working. I know it works because it came on briefly and then went off again. Backlight works. I think the ribbon cable is shot on the contacts. I'm gonna try taking it apart and seeing if I can, I'm gonna look at the ribbon cable and see if I can trim off a little bit to get the display back. See if I can show you what I'm talking about. Okay, scanner's on. I can turn this backlight on. That works, but no display. I've reset it to factory reset. I think it's just corrosion from sitting for so long. Okay, let's get to it. First thing we'll do is remove the back. Let me put my phone down. I lent my tripod to my daughter, so just holding my phone. Hang on a second. Okay, so we have a couple more screws here. These two. One up here at the top. I think there's two more here somewhere. I'll just get those out. Okay, I only needed to remove this top screw. And then these boards separate. There's this small header there. Just flip this over. Okay. This is the connector we need to check. Let's just, we'll pull these tabs. Yeah. Sorry for the shake, but I'm zoomed in quite a bit. See this? I think that's the problem. So I'm gonna try to trim off just maybe a millimeter here, just to push this back behind further in the connector so that we hit on this fresh contact patch here. Let's give that a try. You can see this will be a little bit of a challenge when you see the size of the scissors compared to the cable. Yeah, it's tiny. All right, do that. Okay, that's all I trimmed off. Oops. I didn't want to trim too much off at first. I wanted to just get past that worn spot. Let's give it a try. Look, it has a place to store your screws. Very clever, RadioShack. What a great idea. And in case anyone is interested, here's my discriminator output. See, I'm connected to this pin next to this little connector, TP4. And the ground is just connected to the ground plane, and then I have a little headphone jack, 1/8 inch with I can't see what the color is on here. I thought they were 220s, but that looks kind of purple, so I don't remember. Okay, yeah. Oops. Okay, yeah, I put a light on them I didn't see the yellow band here. Yeah, so they're 4.7K. So this is about 9 to 10K of resistance. So, you know, if you want a discriminator output and you want to connect this to the sound card or the, I think I had this connected to the parallel port actually on my 90s laptop. You can decode digital signals that come across on 900 megahertz. Anyway, let's put it back together and see if it works. Okay, here we go. I have it just kind of held together. I didn't actually screw it back together yet, but let's see if we get a display this time. Ooh. Okay, well, don't really remember how to use it. It's been a while, but looks like it's working. Saved from the dumpster. Till next time.